everybody. I'm here to show you the container of the month that I've collected and how I'm using them. These are some of those 14-inch ones that I have, and I use those for the scrapbook layouts that I'm planning on that I finished that I need to put away, and then when I'm working on the kits that I had that I use. Now, one of the things somebody had asked me about these is if it's too heavy, if it will tip over. So give me just a second. Now, I keep mine on a shelf, but as you can see, there's nothing around it and they do not tip over. And there's a lot in this one. So I literally use these all over my office. Let me show you a couple more places I have them. These don't always live right here, but I have this one here that I have some scraps in that I use for my Cricut Joy. These are some layouts. I've just finished a 4for4 series. So these I'm wrapping up the videos on, and then I'll be putting those over to be put away. This is kits that I'm currently working on layouts for. And these are my big scraps that I'm keeping and they're all in these containers. These containers were like $4.99. Love them, love them, love them. Over here is that adjustable shelf that I don't even have mine open all the way. It opens up quite big, but I keep all of my what is it, Perfect Pearls, that kind of stuff in mine, but you can use it for so many other things. But I use them for just the things I normally use most of the time. The other thing that I have here is those adjustable containers. Now I keep all of these stickers and I'm still way behind. I haven't put them away, but it's on my list to do. And this is one of the adjustable containers here as well. So I absolutely love having my room organized. I try to find a container every week and I just wrap it up at the end of the month, let you guys know. So those are the 3 containers that I found for this month. I hope this helps you guys stick around because I'm going to have a whole lot more containers for you. Bye, everybody.